Welcome back to Mere Riders, the channel where we bring you the latest and most exciting motorcycle reviews, walkarounds, and updates from the biking world. AAJ hum ek AC motorcycle ka review karan ja rahi hain jo heritage, style, or performance ka complete package high, the 2026 Triumph Bonneville Bobber. If you love retro motorcycles with modern tech, this bike is going to blow your mind. Motorcycle overview: what makes the 2026 Bobber unique? The Triumph Bonneville Bobber 2026 is not just a motorcycle, it's a piece of art. Triumph any apni iconic Bobber KO is solid or be refined, powerful or stylish Bonna dia high. Floating seat, wide handlebars, blacked out design or muscular stance. Sab Milcar is bike KO road par ek palag high personality DK. This bike truly represents pure British craftsmanship. Fire design and styling, retro look with modern touches. 2026 Bobber Ka design, exactly Wohi delivers Karta High Joe Ek true retro lover expect Karta High. Classic, low-slung Bobber stance with modern curves. Key styling highlights: premium teardrop fuel tank, signature floating single seat, blacked out engine and exhaust options, retro-styled wide front forks, chunky 16-inch wheels giving a muscular look, LED DRL headlamp with new detailing, Har angle SEE bike premium craftsmanship Ka-proof steady high, making it one of the most stylish cruisers in the world. Flex biceps engine and performance, true British muscle. 2026 model main Triumph NE Apna legendary 1,200 cubic centimeters high torque engine retain Kia high, but with better refinement. Performance highlights: approximate 78 plus HP, around 106 Nm torque, smoother throttle response,
and going back,
improved cooling system, low-end torque perfect for city plus highway rides. E-bike torque lovers Kalia Benei Gai High. Every twist of the throttle gives you instant power and pure riding satisfaction. Gear technology and features, modern tech inside a classic frame. Is Sol Triumph NE Electronics Package KO Coffee Upgrade Kia High. Features include updated TFT display with smartphone connectivity, road and rain riding modes, advanced traction control, dual channel ABS, keyless ignition, USB-C charging port, full LED lighting all around. Yanni Apco Retro Style Soft 2026 key modern technology Milky High, best of both worlds. Hammer wrench suspension and comfort, smooth and stable ride. Bobber looks might be heavy, but Jab AAPEC Chali Pain. It feels surprisingly light and agile. Suspension setup: 47mm Showa front forks, preload adjustable monoshock at rear, comfortable low seat height, relaxed foot peg position. Chahi City Ho, Highway Ho, Yo weekend ride. Bobber delivers a smooth, planted, and enjoyable ride. Brick braking and safety, confidence in every ride. Triumph has focused strongly on safety and braking efficiency. Braking equipment: twin front discs, Brembo calipers for strong stopping power, rear disc with optimized ABS, traction control for slippery conditions. High torque engine plus powerful brakes equals perfect balance. Artist palette color options, premium British shades. 2026 model expected color options: jet black, matte ironstone, red hopper, sapphire black with gold lining. Each color highlights the retro charm of the Bobber beautifully. Money bag expected price: 2026 range. The expected international price for the 2026 Triumph Bonneville Bobber is $14,000 US, 15,500. Price may vary depending on region, taxes, and import duties. Bust and silhouette: who should buy the 2026 Bobber? This bike is perfect for riders who want a stylish retro cruiser, strong torque and premium feel, smooth city plus long ride performance, a head-turner motorcycle, modern tech with classic design, Agar AAP Ek unique, premium or character-filled bike Chat Hain. This one is made for you. Microphone conclusion: final thoughts by Mere Riders. Triumph Bonneville Bobber 2026 Ek perfect blend high classic heritage or modern engineering ka. Stylish, powerful, refined, or extremely fun to ride, yeah, Bic. Definitely 2026 key top retro cruisers, main Shamil Hoagie. If you're looking for a motorcycle that delivers emotional appeal plus practical performance, the 2026 Bobber is a must-consider option. Loudspeaker OUTRO, like, share, and subscribe. Agar AAP KO Yi review Pasand Iaho, To video KO, like, share, or subscribe Karna Nabolan. Mere Riders Parhum AAP Kalia Late Hain Pure, honest, or exciting motorcycle content. Comment Karka Batayan. Next Konsi Bike Ka Review Chat Hain. Ride safe, stay happy. Mere Riders. Motorcycle Fire.